Combination regimens are often the way that we best target patients with lymphoma, and that's because targeting one antigen with one drug is a way that sometimes lymphomas will evolve or develop resistance. And so usually antibodies, like bispecific antibodies, are best served as a combination with a different drug that can co-treat the disease, therefore reducing the risk that the treatment fails. Trispecific antibodies are, in some sense, a combination partner in themselves, that they have two ways to bind to the cancer cell, and so almost two drugs in the same antibody. And so theoretically, they are already a combination approach in ways that bispecifics are not. It's unclear if that will pan out, that they are combination level effective compared to a bispecific antibody. Are they significantly better? Or is this T-cell targeting therapy similar in terms of whether you target 2 or 3 or even more antigens, or are you kind of maxing out the benefit of a T-cell directed therapy? I think theoretically, trispecific antibodies should be advantageous as a combination strategy, meaning that they already have that combination built in, plus you could combine them with other drugs just like bispecifics could. So they're kind of a built-in combo, but they could also have other drugs added to them to further improve their efficacy.